Good morning, students. I hope you all must have watched all uploaded videos and have got to learn a lot. For today's, our topic is the place value and face value of a digit in any number. So, children, let's begin. Look, this is the number 1 and 2. What happened when 1 and 2 together? Look, this become 12. 12 means one bundle of 10 stick and 2 loose stick. Correct? Let us placing them another way here. Now it is 21. 21 means 2 bundle of 10 stick and 1 loose stick. Okay. 12 and 21 both have 1 and 2 digit. Then why they are different? Look. 2 represent 2 stick and 1 represent 1 bundle of 10 stick, and in 21 1 represent 1 stick and 2 represent 2 bundle of 10 stick. See here carefully. The digit on right tell us the number of loose stick. In 12 2 is right side, okay, and it represent 2 stick, but in 21 2 is in left side and it represent 2 bundle of 10 or 2 tens. This means the left side digit tell us how many tens are there. Okay student, same way 2 and 4 make 24. Okay, 4 represent number of loose stick, that is number of ones, and 2 represents number of tens, that is 2 bundles of tens. But when the change their place and it become 42, 2 represent number of loose stick, that is number of ones, and 4 represent number of tens, that is 4 bundle of 10 4 bundle of stick of 10. So now you know rightmost place represent ones place as tells us the number of ones. The next adjacent place towards the left is called 10 place. Tens place as it tells us how many tens are there. See, 2 bundles of 10 10 each are there, that is 2 tens are there. So, ones place indicate number of 1. In this case 4 ones are there, and tens place indicate number of 10. In this case 2 tens are there. So students, what is place value? Place value is the value of digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Okay. Now we will take one example. We have a number 346. Now 346, we will write this number in the place value chart as number 3 in hundreds column, number 4 in tens column, and number 6 in ones column. Now let us look at place value of each digit, as the number 3 is in 100 column. So it means there is 300. So its place value is 3 into 100, that is 300. And number 4 is in tens column. It means it have 4 tens. So the place value of 4 is 4 into 10, that is 40. And number 6 is in ones column. Now the place value of 6 is 6 into 1, that is 6. Okay, now let's try some more example. We have one more example here. The number is 605. Okay, so we will write it with their respective places. Okay, so 6 is right with hundreds, 0 is right with tens, and 5 is right with ones. Okay, so number 6 goes in hundreds column. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 100, that is 600. 0 is in tens column. So 0 into 10, that is 0. 5 in ones column. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5. Okay students, now let us learn what is face value. Face value of each digit in a number is same as digit itself. As we can see here, 4 represent 4 stick and 40 represent 4 bundle of 10 stick. In both case, the face value is 4 is always 4. So, the value of digit that never changes with the places is called face value. Now, here we take a number 346 again to understand this. As you all know that number 3 is placed in hundreds column, number 4 in tens column, number 6 is in ones column. Okay students, but the face value of digit is same as digit itself. It represent of where it in place value chart. So face value of digit 3 is 3 only. Face value of 4 is 4 only, and similarly face value of 6 is 6 only. Now let us solve another example. Here we have a number 890. Here the face value of digit 8 is 8, and the face value of 9 is 9, and the face value of 0 is 0. So now you can understand how can 10 digit, that is from 0 to 9, can make so many numbers. Okay, just by changing the places of the number. Let us see these 3 numbers. First one is 5, second one is 54, and third one is 573. In case of 5, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5. In case of 54, 5 into 10, and its place value will be 50. In case of 573, as 5 is on the place of 100, so the place value of 5 here is 5 into 100, that is 500. Okay students? But if we will talk about the face value, then in each case the face value is always 5. Okay? Face value never change with their place. Okay students? Now what is expanded form? Expanded form or expanded notation is a way of writing numbers to see the math value of individual digits. Okay, or we can say writing the number as the addition of place value of its digit. Let us write the expanded form of the 5325. Okay. Firstly, we write each digit with their place value, and then 5325 as the sum of place value of its digits, that is 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5, that is same as 5325. Okay? Now hope you understand everything. Now let us solve these problems in your notebook. And if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay students, thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.